Good evening. It's 9:49 now here in Dubai. I'm working with something when suddenly something popped up in my screen and I found that there is message from our subscriber. Where is that? Her name is Tien from Vietnam. Chào Tien, ya khỏe không? Nice. That's what I learned, a Vietnamese language. So yeah, how are you, Tien? What does this? Tien, are you a female or a male? I'm not sure, but I will assume that you are a female because you're a Tien. 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 Okay. So she said that when I print the document in DiaLux Evo, I don't see the height of the ceiling. Please help me how to get it. Thank you so much. And she attached, or Tien attached, the calculation result from her project. And it goes and it looks like the height of the room is 3 meters. And this is a corridor. I assume that this corridor is part of the building where the total height of the building is 3 meters, and she wants to make the corridor like maybe 2.5, maybe 2.5 or 2.6. Okay, 2.7 maybe, or it depends. So I'm sure it's different from 3 meters. And I assumed again that she put automatic drop ceiling on the room, on the corridor. That's why she properly placed the luminaire, but it did not reflect the ceiling height on the calculation result. So what I can do to you now, Tien, is I'm going to help you find out how to change this result from your original height. Like, for example, you want to change this one into 2.7 or 2.6 or 2.5, whatever. So I made a sample here. This is a sample room, sample building. So I created two rooms, and I will show you how to change the ceiling height without changing the other room's height. So right now I have two rooms. And if you can check here, this building is 3 meters height. Here, you can see it's here, 3 meters. And then I am going to change this right side room into 2.8. So I will get 3 meters height on the first room and then 2.8 on the, did I say 2.8? Okay, say 2.8 on the other room. So how you can do that? Okay. What you can do right now is go to the plan view. Yeah, here you go, and go to the construction tab. Now what we are right now, and then go to the assessment zones, and then select the room that you want to change. Okay, this one is 3 meters, as you can see it's here, and this one is okay, I already made a practice. So this one is 2.8. So you can see now that I changed it, but okay, I will change it again. So let's say this is 2.6. Yes, I will discard and the result. And then, so you can see that when I click the room, it will become blue, and then you can change the height of the room into something else. The original is 2.6. I did not use the drop ceiling or the insert ceiling into room, because if you insert ceiling into room, it will give you the original height, which is 3 meters. Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to create another room just to show that inserting ceiling room is... Anyways, you can easily understand it, I'm sure. Okay, let's go now and run a calculation and see if it really becomes 2.6 into the calculation result without inserting anything. So let's go to the documentation and check. So right now I edited the results into room summary 1 and 2. So let's select and say room 1 is 3 meters. That is the first room that I created. That is the original height of the building. the ceiling height of the building. And then when I click the room number 2, it becomes 2.6, the one we changed into 2.6. So, yeah, so now you can have two rooms with different ceiling height without affecting the other one, and without without inserting the automatic insertion ceilings. So, Tien, I hope you learned something, and yeah, that's it. So maybe I can continue now my work. All right, goodbye.